Through fields where moonlit shadows grow, each step a ripple in the stream, a quiet hum, a fragile dream. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, fading where the wild winds go, a tender glow, a fleeting trace, a touch of time, a boundless space. Clouds that drift like thoughts unseen, a silver thread weaves through the green. The stars lean close, they seem to say, the night will hold you, come what may. Light bends, it dances, it falls, it flows.